Good morning, November 26, 2021, the day after Thanksgiving. Um, Typically, the next week is supposed to be a extremely statistically strong trading week. Saying that, that's just for the really experienced people will make the money like they always do. The underexperienced people will always give them the money, right? That's how this works. People give, like, you got to think, if you put your $5,000 in and they take 150 of it, where do you think it went? It went to somebody else's pocket, right? Like, somebody else took it. Doesn't always have to be the other side of the trade either. It could be somebody taking. Yeah, it's, well, you're selling to somebody that might sell it later. You never know. Anyway, I don't know how many videos we can make on one ticker, but I mean, this one's actually winning the award. I can't friggin' believe that we were trying to get 402 or something like that. If you look back in the videos, I was shooting for a 402, $4, a $4 entry. Get that straight. Like, wow. And then I'm not going to be the one that holds through this drawdown here, but I actually won't even be able to try. See, that's the thing. If you're trained correctly, these big moves you'll miss them because you're just so happy to get your little percentage. So this thing here has been halted 3 times already this morning, and it's 10 p.m. right on the money right now. There's 10 p.m. So should be coming at a halt here in about 6 seconds or something, and we'll see which direction, if it does want to have a power drop, or we're gonna come back to jumpins, right? Look at the levels it puts in. It's so fucking brilliant. Look at the levels, man. Look at, you can pick whatever you want to pick. It's awesome. It's awesome. So we're going to obviously have some resistance up here. So the trade would be up to 40, 43. Take it from here to 43. Sounds simple enough, and then you get it peeling back in your face, right? So if we take support, see, this is why I had such a hard time trading this one. It's too textbook, yeah, sets up too nicely. Like, here comes the turn, and we should take this turn to $43. Here's just a follow-up. Good thing we got out when we stopped out. See? Don't hold these too long. You'll just be burned. Yeah, and this one's Bfri. Look what, like, jumpins. So out of nowhere, I was like, oh, look at it. She's tightening up, and then all of a sudden, boom, she breaks out of this thing with a 8% candle. Like, God, man, it's so... Bfri, yet another flag here. Right about now is when they say, buy the dip, hold pussies. But there's the flag break. Interesting how we're stalling up against the halt line here. Seems to be taking support here at the halt line. That was a close call. I had the order there set for $7.99. $7.99. We came up and touched 8 and then peeled all the way back to our stop within a minute. That's typically what will happen. Yeah, this looter mentality is not very good. This is a recipe for losing money. Exactly. I had that order set at $7.84 with a $7.58 stop out. We wouldn't have been stopped out, but that's it's enough of a reaction there to tell you that people are either they're taking profits there or they're not ordering. They're not buying it up. Maybe now on the second ride. Again, I'm not very good at buying the dip here. Although if we come in and take support here at in and around VWAP here, actually if we take support here at 739, 735, somewhere in there, that would be 35. Where is that? Yeah, like, we need to take a support, and this is what I'm saying about going up, back down, take support, and then we're going to take it on the other side of the hill here. I want it to come up and show me almost want it to come up, show me, and then give me a higher low, and then we're taking it again, right? Like that would be the ideal situation. So we're going to come back up to here, 77, come back to 60, and then carry on, right? That would be textbook setup for protecting your, like, because you're buying now, how do you know it's not just going to turn around? Well, well, no trade there. We didn't take it. There could be a bounce here, but we're not going to worry about it. Again, the flag, the flag doesn't always have to work. And let that be known that it doesn't always have to work. So if you can collect yourself here and like, subscribe, and share, and understand that, you know, a hot market makes everybody feel smart until it doesn't. So you need to, the learning is to take the profits, don't chase. We're just going to roll through them here. Don't chase, don't, yeah, don't give back any money that if you don't have to. You know, we missed this jump, tried to chase the flag, and here you go. Here comes a little bit of a bounce. So anyway, like, subscribe, share. If you don't, you won't get your high fives, because it's not what you trade, it's actually how you trade. There's lots of money out there. There's lots of small percentages. There's lots of big percentages. But you got to keep your eyes open, because if you do this in real time, every time, it's a lot more difficult than it looks.